Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To connect a sandbox neo4j database to your Flask app, you'll need to use the official neo4j Python driver to interact with the database. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this. Step 1, set up your sandbox neo4j database. 1. Sign up or log in to the neo4j sandbox, https://sandbox.neo4j.com, and create a new project with a neo4j database. 2. Note down the connection details provided, bold URL, username, password. Step 2, install the neo4j Python driver. You can install the official neo4j Python driver using pip. Step 3, create a Flask app. Create a new Flask app or use an existing one for this tutorial. Step 4, connect to the neo4j database in your Flask app. You can create a separate Python module for handling the neo4j database connection. Here's an example code snippet to connect to the neo4j database in your Flask app. Step 5, run your Flask app. Save the above code in a Python file, example app.py, and run your Flask app using the following command. Now, when you access your Flask app in a web browser, it will fetch data from your sandbox neo4j database and display it on the web page. Remember to replace your sandbox URI, your sandbox username, and your sandbox password with your actual neo4j sandbox database connection details. This tutorial provides a basic example of connecting a sandbox neo4j database to a Flask app. You can further expand your application to perform more complex operations with the neo4j database.